All right, guys. So today we had a couple more of these shells cases that I have yet to shoot that I wanted to give a run through and see how they are here. I guess we'll go ahead. I did want to go ahead and try one of the flabbergasted and one of the badass 200-gram shell cakes as well, to see how those perform. So we'll go ahead and start off with these two, and then we'll run through the canister shells here. First up, we have the King Dragon, the 6-inch King Dragon shells. This one, you get your standard fiberglass launchers out of there, and then all of the shells, all the canister shells are labeled 1 through 24, all different effects on there. So we'll grab one out of each sleeve and test those out, see how those are. Next up, we have the G-Force canister shells, and same thing, you get the standard fiberglass launchers out of it. And again, these ones are also labeled 1 through 24 with all the different effects on there. So again, we'll grab one out of each sleeve and do a test run on those. We have the unmatched fiberglass. You get the standard fiberglass launchers with those. Now this one was a little different here. On the canister shell itself, there is no number like on the cover of this canister shell, but they did go through, and it's a little hard to make out the numbers at first, but on the bottoms of each shell, go through it. I guess that's supposed to be 13 through 18, or and then 19. Yeah, I don't know. It's you can see when you go through there, but yeah, those are labeled on the bottoms of the shell instead of actually them being on the cover of the shell. So again, 1 through 24 different. You get 24 different effects on that one. And then the Deadly Gaze, last one, Deadly Gaze, fiberglass launchers, and these ones are labeled 1 through 24 with all 24 different effects on there. So like I said, we'll grab one out of each sleeve and see how each one of them does, and give them each a test run. So yeah, I guess we'll let it get dark and see how these perform.